Most winch bumpers, and even some factory bumpers, don't come with front license plate mounts. In Colorado, you have to have a front license plate. So I ordered this license plate bracket from Amazon. Let's mount it up. First off, let's see what's in the package. So it comes with a bracket, a specialty screwdriver for the license plate mounting holes, 4 screws to mount the license plate, and a couple of screws with washers to mount it to your plastic bumper if you're doing that. Now this is not a new install for me. I've had one of these on my truck for quite a while. And as you can see, the factory screws have rusted so much that I had to drill these 2 out to remove my license plate. So my suggestion is to go buy stainless steel hardware and maybe use some Loctite to keep them from seizing up. One other thing I like to use are these silicone license plate protectors. They just install right around the plate. Now it'll keep your plate nice and fresh looking when it's installed onto the backer. Now this part is going to be different for every truck. I'm using the logo here to affix the license plate. So my screws are actually going to go in these 2 holes and in this 1 hole to keep it in place. Make sure you buy stainless steel hardware. I have Nyluck nuts on the back to make sure everything is nice and rigid. Alright, I chose to mount it in these 3 locations so I didn't have to drill any new holes. You could just drill holes and use similar hardware to hold it on. If this is a plastic bumper, you could just use the screws that came with it, although I would suggest buying stainless steel ones. Now let's go ahead and put the license plate on. And here's a final look. Nice and sturdy. Almost like a factory part. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the product. You know, it's very universal. You should be able to use this on any bumper. The only issue I have is the hardware. So make sure if you pick this up that you go pick up some good stainless steel nuts and bolts. Hopefully that was helpful for any of you looking for an easy way to mount a license plate on your aftermarket front bumper. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out this next video.